up, mi gente? Welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day to lose weight. So before moving forward with my video, do not forget to like, comment, share it with your friends, and also subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Ahora sí, let's go to my video. I'm gonna do protein waffles for breakfast. Yup, waffles. All right, so for my waffle, I have my protein powder. I like chocolate. My oats. Almond milk. Y un huevo, one egg. I'm gonna mix all this aquí, right here, and I'll show you guys how to do it. One scoop almond milk, un huevo, This is the peanut butter that I got from Marshall's. I'm only gonna use one serving. That's enough for me. And also, I got the no calorie syrup. And you already know, whipped cream. Only 5 calories per serving. Shaky. And this is another product that I got from Marshall's, fig marmalade. I'm gonna add this flavor to my coffee. Babe, my dog is here. Hold on one second. Come here. What's going on? Come here. No waffles for you. No, I'm sorry. Say hi. Hi. You're so enjoyable. Right, Daisy? Okay, Daisy, you need to go. She loves attention like me. Go, Daisy. Go, Daisy. No more. That's it. Mommy needs to eat. Yep. No, I'm sorry. You cannot have it. You know Mommy likes this. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I love to have on breakfast something sweet. Salty food in the morning. I need something sweet. So I just finished my breakfast, but I need to get some work done. However, I'm going for my second cup already. Your girl love coffee. So what? But anyways, I'm gonna do my work and then I'll see you guys for my lunchtime. All right, see you now. It's already 3 o'clock and I'm really starving. I haven't had any snacks, so that's why I'm starving. All right, I'm gonna see what I have. I think I have like some leftover chicken. My mom.
Damn, boy, he's thick! Boy, that's a thick ass boy! Damn!
That was my brother. So, I have avocado and also some salad. Yes. And chicken. Let me show you guys. Alright guys, like I was just telling you, I have some leftover chicken. My mom made it yesterday, like arroz con pollo, chicken and rice. So I'm gonna use this chicken with avocado and salad. It has, I don't know if you guys can see, it has some onions, tomatoes, and I think, oh, also celery. You see the celeries? Okay, and obviously lettuce. Since I don't have lime or lemon, so I'm gonna use only pepper and salt. Okay, got it. Cuchara. I need a spoon. I'm only gonna have half of the avocado.
Oh, no.
No pepper. No pepper. Look what I got. That's a lot. Who cares? And salt. And that's it. After my lunch, I'm gonna go for a walk. And I think I'm gonna meet my boyfriend. Maybe I'm gonna walk to his house. Maybe I should do that. It's not, I mean, it's hot outside, but it's not sunny. It's just like humid, so that would be good. In that way, I do my cardio for the day. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna do. So let me just finish my food, and I'll see you guys now. I'm gonna get ready now, and I'm gonna use my waist trainer.
Let's go. Open the door.
Hi! How are you? He knew I was gonna come, so it was not really a surprise. I tried to surprise him, but he knew. Now I'm sweating. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a shower and I'll show you guys in a few what I'm gonna eat for dinner, okay? See you guys now in a few. I'm trying this. Oh, I hurt myself. Ow. Wow, this is pretty awesome. Hi. Yeah. Okay, I start feeling dizzy. Yeah, I start feeling dizzy. I start feeling dizzy. Yeah, it's hurting me a lot. It's so red right now. I was. It's already 9 o'clock and it's time for dinner. I'm gonna have beef and white rice. I'm gonna show you guys now. 1 cup of white rice. Actually, no, I'm gonna put in more rice because I haven't eaten too much carbs today. Yep, that's enough. And some beef. Yes, a lot of beef. I'm gonna mix it. And this is gonna be my dinner. I think I'm gonna add cheese. Yeah. You see, it's a lot. Look, it's a lot. Yep. Let me add some cheese. I'm sorry, guys, that the lights look so dark. It's just because it's already late. And I'm gonna put some cheese. I don't know if you guys know, but I love cheese. Before, I used to eat, like, for dessert, a goat cheese. Let me heat it up again. And I'm gonna see you guys now. I want to tell you guys that do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? Thank you. So it's ready. Tiki 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 tiki. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. It's hot, hot, hot. Oops, I forgot. I forgot to close this. Bing. Now. It's hot. Ooh. You see now? You see now? Nope. Well, before going to bed, this is gonna be my snack. And this is a dark chocolate caramel. You guys can see there. Yep. And it only has, so it's for 2 pieces. It's 60 calories. And that is basically all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And please do not forget to like, comment, and share my video. And subscribe if you haven't done it yet. So, see you guys. Bye-bye.